We currently live in a technology-led and innovation-driven world, and as a result of that, employees need to thrive in this environment. So we want to help companies attract and retain top talent. We can do this in a number of ways. We work with companies closely to understand their training needs. We help companies develop a culture of learning and development, and we also help organisations understand what they wish to achieve and how we can help them achieve it. 70% of an employee's experience sits with their manager. So we know today that employees don't leave a job, they leave a manager. So managers today are facing a number of challenges. Managing their own work, managing their employees, and we also have the added challenge of managing employees remotely. So managing hybrid teams is a challenge at the moment for many companies, and this requires, again, a multifaceted approach. Managers need to stay close to their employees, understanding that performance appraisals are not just once a year. They need to have ongoing conversations, and we know from studies with Gallup that today's workforce are looking for a coach, not a boss. So it makes sense as a company that you ensure that your employees are fully trained and fully skilled to do the job that they need to do. This has a direct impact then on the profit of the business. We know that engagement is at an all-time low, and also stress levels of employees is very high. Low engagement costs companies globally $8.8 trillion every year. We know that when companies invest in their employees, when they provide them with the training and skills they need, they actually want to stay with the business. So by looking after your employees, giving them the resources they need, showing them that they have a future career path in the business, they will want to stay with the business.